Thanks. My name is Dusengureni Felix. So I'm a student of IYF. I study in Mukarangi. So it's my pleasure to be with you in this seminar. I understand how many children or our parents, we can convince them to communicate very well. So this seminar, my belief, is very bad, but after I changed. So I would like to invite you for other moment to come visit us. So it's very important to be with this seminar because I understand how we can convince many people in our daily life. So in our daily life there is many cultures from many other regions. So I appreciate you to be with you in this seminar. Thanks.
Akoze cyane muri iki giterane twungutsemo ibintu byinshi aho twasanze ko kujyana ikiganiro hagati y'abashakanye ari ingenzi cyane. Ikindi tubona ko ubuzima bubayemo ubu ngubu arizo ngaruka z'igihe cyashize. Ani byinshi twabonyemo tubona ko kugira umutima uboneye ari ingenzi ubuzima bwacu bwa buri munsi. Murakoze.